In that big orange, then I met you, shit ain't been the same. Like this pretty little thing got a hold on me. Looked up in the sky. Infiltrate the beat. I'm a I'm crazy for living. Oh yeah, baby. This life, this all I got. This life, so let's drink. All I got, yo. Everything that we've been through. Yo, ain't nobody shutting it down the way I'm killing it, and anybody talking shit, acting like they innocent. Well, I just wanna be the one to let you know what sentiment. I'm kissing on your girl, then I lip gloss cinnamon. I love it. You set the bar, I'm above it. Backing down, I never does it. Plus I'm buzzing. You got one, I got a dozen. If she's taken, I hope she got a cousin, cause she's hiding in the Arizona landscape. Guess I better do the things that a man can't. I'm a chef and that dude is a pancake. We can keep it a secret just like a handshake. Shit, life ain't free, but alright, let's see what the world brings you. With a guy like me, we could dive head first, baby, I'm an OG. It'll be all good, just fly with me tonight. This one's on me, let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots, I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down, so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. This life, this life, this life, this life. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. So let's drink to everything that we've been through. The summertime. The summertime. This one's on me. Let's go downtown tonight. One shot, two shots. I don't really know if I'm counting right. We drink it down so we can live it up. Why? Cause you never know what tomorrow brings in this crazy life. This life, this life, this life, this life. And I'm thankful, even when they say I'm crazy for living this life, this life, this life, this life. So let's drink to everything that we've been through.
I know I may have changed. I may have lost my way. But every song I've made, yeah, was the blueprint to how I overcame. 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 Overcame.
Yeah, I've wanted a lot of things that I couldn't have. I've done a lot of things that I shouldn't have. Yeah. But I live with no regrets, cause I wouldn't be here if I chose a different path. I've worked so hard, I've worked so thorough. I love my team, I wouldn't trade them for the whole world. But I would trade these groupie bitches in a heartbeat if there was a chance that I could ever have my old girl. My first love, man, I can't believe I lost her. Due to miscellaneous bitches all on my roster. So my advice to all my homies out there, with a woman that really cares, don't fuck around, it might cost you. Yeah, but like I said, man, it's no regrets. We move forward, stay positive and hope for the best. I'm obsessed, I want it all, dog, and nothing less. I'd rather be a dead man than to live with no success. So I spit it from deep in my chest. All of these inner feelings used to just keep them suppressed. Then I wondered why the fuck I would be so depressed. And I realized that I really just need to confess. So when you hear me on a record, it's the real me. I only do it for the people that can feel me. And if you wanna hate, then go ahead and feel free. But I'ma continue to do this shit until it kills me. I've been lost, I've been found, I've been up, I've been down. I've been broken, I've been bruised, beaten and abused by a bitch ass motherfucker my mama would choose. So before you judge me, be sure that you walk in my shoes. I used to sleep out on the streets with a couple sheets. Feeling weak, I've gone weeks with nothing to eat. But fast forward, just a couple years more, me and my team about to do a nationwide tour. In a second I will find that out. It's like I forgot everything I ever cried about. It gets tough, the road may get a little rough. It's all good, homie, you just gotta ride it out. I used to walk up on these tracks, now I'm hurdling. So my homies will never have to snatch a purse again. Yeah, but I know it was truly worth it when I could tell my mama she don't ever have to work again. Only 20 years old when she made me, just a baby, with a baby. Yeah, I know, girl, I drove you all crazy. Jumping off the walls, going all ADHD. Dropping out of school, no job, I was lazy. You said I end up locked up or pushing up daisies. But you know, girl, that ain't how you raised me. That was just a phase, I wasn't finna let it phase me. Been on a mission just to get it and I got it now. They know the name, my fans asking me to jot it down. This music shit, you know a nigga all about it now. Cause I don't know where the fuck I would be without it now. I used to be a Bama, I could pop the collar now. The girl that used to diss me asking me to call her now. I used to look out in the crowd and hear not a sound.
Castro.
Yeah, that's what they shouting now.
I know I may have changed. I may have lost my way. But every song I've made, yeah, was the blueprint to how I overcame. 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 Overcame.
Yeah, I got when I got mine. Wasn't hot when I got signed. Fucking not what I want, but I stack what I want till I'm back on the right side. Back on the west. Manned up, took a slap on the chest. Running yaps, motherfucker been attached. Motherfucker 3 fingers, let me rap with the best fly. Look at me, I'm treading through the city. Who you know do it better in the city. Who you know moving cheddar in the city. Stewing bread in the city. 2 ahead, you ain't with me. Doors too open for the kid now. Poor sitting goals for the rich now. Motels into this, I'm enriched now. Shit, let me miss out. Baby, how you been? I'm sorry that you missed out. You with a rapper now, huh? He a copy. Look at me, then look at his style. Book of history, I've been in now. You see up on my social that I'm in town. And it ain't coincidental that I see every time you've been rolling through the spot that you in bounds. Listen how this pin sound. I've been zoning through the city, man, it's LA life been good to me, been good to me. Seeing where I live now, man, it's fan been hood to me. Said I could real shit, that I would real shit. Said I stand real shit, motherfucker, so I stood real quick.
Okay.
Said I gotta run away, get
get away now. Too many games and they all trying to play out. Too many people and they all start to change now. Let me take it back, they gon' know my name now. Yeah, we came a long way, but it's one way. Got a long way to go like it's Monday. Someday gotta be in LA. No, I gotta make it work out like chess day. Yeah, we just young and we living, we doing it right over here. While you missing just me and my homies, we running the city. Not worry about blowing these hundreds and fifties. Cause when you get caught up in money, it's fake. The happiest thoughts end up going to waste. I got all my people, they holding me down. They all coming with me when I got the crown. Track, trying to master rap. I never gave it up when they called me whack. I gotta run the game like I'm a running back. I gotta change it up so you ain't stuck with that. Now give me the mic and I'm gone. I'm hoping it ain't for too long, but I'm trying to make it all around the world. Meet the fans that put me on. You know we got it. Yeah, we got it. We gon' fill it up like it's a wallet. We gon' live it up like it's college. We gon' soak it up like it's knowledge. Yeah, and I gotta pay homage to my fam and the fans from the hometown. Got the hill going up when we back now. Put the 919 on the map now when I'm gone.
Yeah, I love this street. Hollywood, baby, home with the freaks. Yeah, girl, you're the freak of the week. If you don't love West Coast, then you don't smoke best dope, and you don't get XOs. Your girlfriend at our next show. It's like, oh, California, it's summertime. My top lit back, and we unwind, and this wine fine. And you are too. Let's go to the beach with a drink to us each, and yeah, do what we do. Meet up with a gang and toast and shit. We the flies out, yeah, I told you, bitch. Yeah, I told you, bitch. Get the shit right, yeah, I told you, bitch. And this my type party. Dom just got it started. And Nipsey up next, and I gotta grab a drink, but you know I didn't get carded. We the home of the kings. Roll with some G's. Khakis with a crease. Pac, rest in peace. Yeah, West Coast. Champagne for my real friends. Real pain for my fake friends. That don't shake hands, that don't make friends. That just hide my face behind Ray-Bans. Cause whoa, whoa, whoa. You know, whoa, whoa. Not happy, let's up to the West Coast. So rockin' here for my real friends. No shots in here for my fake friends. You can hate, man, I don't make amends. I just live my life, I don't take from them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know, whoa, whoa. Not happy, let's up to the West Coast. Damn right, yeah, I love my town. LA, baby, put it down. Everybody wanna come around. If you don't love Cali, then you don't love at all. And you never seen love, cause this where those birds fall. Like falling out on top. Come with Jesse, baby, cause I call those shots. And I'm dropping those tops, and I'm rocking those spots. And I'm riding around the city with a beat that night. I beat that up, eat that up. Layer on the ground, I sweep that up. I pick that up, I slow it down. Puff up in my cup. But I'm rolling around these parts with a big old thing. No big old chain, just a big old ring. And a tight fit cap that's blue and white. Oh yeah, him a big old gang. Anybody wanna sign a deal? Then you sign a deal with my fam for real. Cause my camp will kill for the love that we got and feel. Oh yeah, so I need a meal. It's my gang, it's my team, it's my life, it's my dream.
Yeah, West Coast. Champagne for my real friends, real pain for my fake friends. That don't shake hands, that don't make friends. That just hide my face behind Ray-Bans. Whoa, 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 you know, whoa, whoa. Not happy, let's up in the West Coast. So rockin' here for my real friends, no shots in here for my fake friends. You can hate, man, that don't make amends. I just live my life, I don't take from them. Whoa, 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 you know, whoa, whoa. Not happy, let's up in the West Coast.
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police don't end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day.
How could I know what it's like? How could I know what a life? Know a lot of artists who don't like to bring it to light, and I'm included in that, I ain't saying it's right. But it's been pushed out the news, don't look like change will happen soon. Donald Trump is all that they talk about, I'm tired of it too. They only talking about racism when the city's burning up, when cops are getting shot, and when the shooter's getting cut. Peaceful protests rarely get a mention. Y'all demanded this could be prevented. Y'all sensationalize the violence just to get a check-in. What's the message? Only getting heard when you draw the weapon. You wonder why these people getting hurt. You ain't learned your lesson. Interview yourselves, god damn it, that might answer questions. Look at how you rep it, what's projected? Fuck you Fox News, y'all won't ever get it. So I gotta step in, white man from the 307, telling y'all I'm fed up with
When
it.
I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police don't end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day.
Words of rose, I'll never relate to that. Might get pulled over, they check my ID and hit the gas. All these divisions, race, religion, economic class. How are we free till realities can overlap? I know what it's like to live round dollars on dollars, and I know what it's like to see that money get smaller. And I know what it's like to live with and without God, but I'll never know life at systematical odds. Fucked how the system has played with all of our minds. Wish that we could see each other through a child's eyes. No prejudice instilled, manipulation of the will. One world, under one sun, over one race that is human. We fight amongst ourselves like, what the hell are we doing? Shit is so outlandish while we fucking up the planet. Fighting over someone's color while our planet's in the red. A miracle on a sunbeam, yeah, y'all know what I've said.
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police don't end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day. When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police don't end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop a bottle, then yell out sayonara and have a nice day.
Fruit snacks and cups of Patron. Parties on buses with us. Me and my bros on a mission to leave with your riches, your bitches, and even they clothes. Yeah, I don't know, probably give it to a charity or something. Every girl nowadays wanna marry me or something. Hate that shit. All I needed was a pic, but your ass always sending me a narrative or something. Made a pic of tits, bitch, I ain't even knowing it. Boyfriends hate me, and I ain't even noticing. Never tiger
smoking them, really real. It's me and Gerald. Tell all the lame niggas how they girls. Going dumb till I'm numb. Couldn't even tell your ass out his veils. Trying to write a rap when you're drunk is a skill though. Bottles and bars and they both being killed though. Trying to talk to these bitches is hard cause I sound like Boomer from King of the Hill though. Girls do wanna come, wanna stay. Sex and Super Smash Bros. I was gonna play. It's really fucking hard and I wasn't trying to party, but fuck it, okay. Turn up.
I don't know why I get so high. Wake up tomorrow and my whole day's gone by. Doing what the fuck I feel like. Will someone tell me is this real?
Last night was a movie, was a movie. I swear last night was a movie, was a movie. I swear last night was a movie, was a movie. I swear
Yo.
last night was a movie, was a movie.
Yo. Wait. What's good, boys? What music do you want today? Let's do this. Alright. What's good, boys? How y'all doing? Doing alright? How y'all doing this beautiful Friday? Beautiful Friday. Friday morning. You guys ready for the analysis? Let's get right into it. Let's get right into this hoe. Alright. So, gold. Gold. Okay, let me just see what we got going on here. Crazy day yesterday. I think we had, wait, let me check news first before we do anything. Let me check the news, right? Alright, so what do we have? We have news here in 25 minutes. Empire State Manufacturing, not that important. They're expecting very bad numbers. Then we have PMI. Yeah, I mean, this is later, but we have some time between. We have like 1 hour and 15 minutes to trade between these two times, right? So let's see here. But yeah, news. Gotta be careful around 2:30 here. So what is that? That's 8:30. The time you see down to the left, that's 8:30. Gotta be careful. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing more. Nothing bad. Yesterday we had two news. We had core retail sales and we had unemployment claims. One was negative, one was positive. So first we came up and then we came down. So it was really weird. Yesterday was weird price action, guys. Yesterday was weird. Luckily though, we did catch some pips. We did catch some trades. So, you know, it's fine, but yeah, let's see here. Alright, so let's get into this analysis. Enough yapping. Let's get into analysis. Oh my god. My bad. What the fuck did I do? Okay, perfect. Alright, boys. Let's start this shit. Okay, so, daily. Well, as we can see here on the daily, we did come up here and we did slow down, right? Like I said yesterday when we did the daily analysis, I told you that we did come up to these areas, right? But we had room to come up all the way to 2047 because that's usually when you get your top wick, right? So you usually come up on the daily to around these areas, right? We wick up to these areas and then we make some sort of retracement, right? So here we made a small bottom wick, right? So meaning that today we might see a plateau here in price. We might see price have a hard time, like we might see price ranging today a bit before news because we still got news. So we're not going to range all the time, but we're going to range before and after news, right? From these areas. We have hit some sort of resistance here. So I'm not as bullish as I would be, right? Because here was very bullish down here. But right now I'm not as bullish as I was yesterday or the day before. So right now we're hitting into this resistance right here, guys, right? Around these areas. Because remember, this was news induced, right? This whole thing was news induced. So that's why. So we have hit a resistance on the daily. Let's go down to the 4 hour. See now if we can draw out our bigger ranges, right? So we can draw out our outer ranges, which we are gonna play in. So okay, let's see here. Let me just all right, so right around here, right around these areas, we do have a range. Right around here, we have our support, I would say, and then to the upside, obviously, it is around these areas, right? Yeah, so obviously, it's around these areas right here. So this is our big area, right? How many pips is it? This is 240 pip range, right? So this is our ceiling and our floor, right? So in between these two ranges, we can now go down to the 30-minute to see what we're gonna do. But let's just wait and see here on the 4 hour. What does this look like? Can we mirror something? We did have a huge push up, guys. Huge push up with no breaks, right? And last time we had a huge push up, we immediately filled it, right? So we came up, huge push, and then we had to retrace and fill it. Same here, right? So you usually see a big pushes up, and then you see a retracement to at least fill the imbalance. So wouldn't be surprised here if we come up, guys, tap above these areas and start heading down to fill the imbalance around, maybe not this low, but probably around 2005 areas, right? Again, we have to wait for news, right? Because news can push price wherever it wants. But pure price action tells me that, okay, we come up here, we made a huge imbalance here, right? So most likely, if we don't have any recurring good news for gold, we should be able to head back down to around 2006 once we come up and tap above this range right here, right? So that's probably the plan. So we look to grab something coming up here, and then once we come up here, if we close below, we can see something going down, right? So yeah, oops, it's probably it on the 4 hour. I mean, pretty clear. We probably, like, historically we do the same shit, right? So yeah, like we usually come up and then we fill the imbalance. Most, like, immediately, always immediately, and then sometimes it takes longer. But like when we are up like we are right now, because down here we still, like, it take a while for us to fill the imbalance, right? But since we're so high up right now, imbalances will most likely get filled. I don't see us pushing up the same way we did up here, right? To break the highs. Not at least, I mean, not today, obviously, but not within the next couple of days, right? Not within the next week either. So yeah. All right, enough of that. Let's go down to the 1 hour here. See what we got. All right, so let me just fix my ranges here so they match a little better. What the fuck is this? What? Around these levels seems to be good. Let me just double check here. All right, price usually fills this range, maybe a little lower. Yeah, probably somewhere like that. Up here. I mean, okay. Let's go down to 30, see if that's more clean. Because we do have ranges, right? But the ranges are pretty choppy around these areas right here. Let's see what ranges gets filled. This range does not get filled. Again, guys, I want my ranges to get filled, right? So I don't want to put something here, like here. Let's say I put something here, then the range does not get filled, right? That's why. So I'm kind of looking here. We do have something here, right? So if we look here, we have rejections, right? This has no top wick, right? So of course, but yeah, we do have rejections around these areas. So I think I'm gonna leave it here for now. Let's see then what news does. But right now, I think I'm gonna leave it at 2038. This resistance right here. I think I'm gonna leave it right here, right? Let me just double check. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna leave it right here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm satisfied with that range. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it right now. We could have a small range above here somewhere. Wait, let me just. I think around these areas, right? Around. So this wouldn't be too bad either. So if we do this. No buy stops, guys. No buy stops. That was just no pineapples. Wait, what the? All right, let's do this. I believe this is good. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. The ranges were a little more tricky today, right? A little more tricky, right? To the downside, I'm not so sure, right? I'm not so sure to the downside. You could say something like. I mean, dude, the thing is, let me just put one more here. Right around these areas right here. Yeah, I mean, this range is very weird range, because you have like rejections all over the place, right? There's no clear price action, right? You have rejections, like it's just very choppy. Doesn't really follow anything. So this whole range here from 2038 2029, I'm not sure I'm willing to take. Above here most likely, and probably below around these areas, right? But as long as we're here in between, we have no idea what it wants to do, right? No idea. Trying to find something here, guys. I'm really trying to find something here. Because I'm trying to make the ranges smaller, right? I'm trying to make the ranges smaller. So I'm not trying to have huge ranges so we have to wait fucking 4 hours for a play. So, but it's really tricky right here because because you see, guys, here we have like a clean range. We have rejections up here, clean ranges, clean ranges below. But inside here, like there is no clear support and resistance inside here. There's no clear support and resistance. Like one time we rejected here, then we rejected here, then we came up all the way, like we broke, then we faked out, right? So it's not super clear here. Although we could say a fake out is not really a fake out, because it's like here, if you say this is a fake out, it's still like, it's still 50 pips. So yeah, you know, Maybe we're being too hard on ourselves. Yeah, let me put one more here. Let me just put one more here. All right. All right. I'm satisfied with this. All right, guys. So, all right, these are my ranges for today, guys. So, these are my ranges for today. What I want to see, well, okay. So, here's the thing. If we possibly break below 2038 here, the thing is we have news in 12 minutes, right? So I'm not going to get into any positions before 8:30 because I don't want to be in positions during news because then I might get fucking wrecked. So I don't want to get in positions for news. But let's see what news does, and then after news we could see. But they're expecting bad numbers, so they're expecting gold to go up, right? Because bad numbers for the dollar. So if they're expecting gold to go up, let's see if we can break the highs. Possibly if we can break the highs here, make for some sort of structure here, and then break below back into range, I could possibly look to take something coming all the way down to 2038, right? But we have to see us break the highs, right? Because if the news are gonna turn out bad for dollar, that means we have to push up on gold. And if we push up, we're most likely gonna break the highs. If we break the highs and then come down, we have grab liquidity, and then eventually we can make our way down to around 2038 areas, right? So that's what I'm waiting for. For buys, well, pretty straightforward. If we close above 47 here, 2047, I'm taking buys off the rip. If we close above 2047.9 here, there's buys off the rip, right? Because then you have clean range. From 2047, you have clean range up. You have like 30, 50 pips of just clean traffic all the way up. So yeah, if we manage to close above 2047.8, I might take buys off rip. But otherwise, we have to see a no top wick, no bottom wick play, or something like that, right? So yeah. But yeah, not too bad here, guys. Let's see here. We close. Okay, so we have what candle is during use? All right, so we have the 15-minute close during use, the 30-minute close during use. All right. So the next 15 or 30 is going to be crucial because that's going to be the news candle. All right, but that was a quick analysis, boys. That was a quick analysis. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I mean, ranges are pretty hard today, pretty difficult ranges. So definitely, if you're not an experienced trader, today's gonna be hard. Because once you come here, it's no man's land, right? So yeah. Dude, why do I keep fucking up? All right. Terminal. I think buy stop 2044, boy. 20 pips. 2044 buy stop. Dude, like I said, I don't take buy stops above ranges, right? The only time I take buy stops or sell stops is during news, because then you're gonna see huge pushes. But I don't take buy stops above ranges, because last time somebody said in chat take buy stops, right? And I told them I'm not gonna do that. Reason being is that price could easily just wick up, right? We could wick up and then close respecting and keep going down. And when you wick up here, your buy stop is activated. So then your buy stop is gonna get activated. You're gonna wick up, fill the range with the wick, and then you're gonna come down, right? So that's why I always wait for closures, guys. I don't take buy stops above or below ranges. Yeah, closures only. What's good, HD? I'm doing good. How are you, bro? I'm doing fine. It's Friday, so of course I'm doing fine. It's the best day of the week, right? But yeah, boys, that's pretty much it. It's nothing too crazy, right? Yeah, be careful around these ranges, right? Be careful in this range. And also be careful now, because there's news in 8 minutes here. So let's see what news wants to do here in 8 minutes. I'm good, brother. I hope I can catch the news signals. Yeah, bro. Let's see. I'm not so let's see if I even get in during news, because I don't think the news are gonna have that much effect, right? Let's see here. Yeah, I don't think the news are gonna have that much effect. So, yeah, I don't want to get faked out during news, so we'll have to wait. Let's see if I take a buy stop or a sell stop, but most likely not. Because if I take a buy stop, where will my buy stop be? If we come down here, probably the break of this candle, right? If we come down like all the way and tap these areas, my buy stop would probably be here on the flip, right? But most likely would be around here, and just ride it all, like at least to break the highs, and then I'm out. The thing is, I don't want to get slipped, because last time, last news, I got slipped 17 pips, right? I got slipped 17 pips. So it's like I put my buy stop here and I entered here, right? So I got slipped. No, yeah, I entered here. So I missed 17 pips because I got slipped. So yeah, news is very slippery. You want to be careful with news. So yeah, well, let's see here, boys. News at 9:30 EST. No, it's at 8:30. 8:30 EST. So right here, for me here in Sweden, it's in 5 minutes. It's 14:30, but for you guys, or for EST, it's 8:30. 9:45. Yeah. PMI. PMI is gonna be interesting. But yeah. Hey. Got my coffee. So now I'm ready. You already know. Hope you guys got your coffee too. If you don't, go make a cup immediately. Yeah. Let's see here. 4 minutes, boys. 4 minutes. Coffee first, no sugar. No sugar. Only black. Only black coffee, bro. We don't do sugar here. Only black coffee. Alright. Can we get something here, boys? 5 minutes. 4 minutes. I don't think it's gonna have that much effect. I'm gonna be honest. I think it's gonna be like a 30, 40, 50 pip move. Not more than that, right? It's gonna be like it's gonna probably be something like this. So we're probably gonna, let's see, what were they expecting? They were expecting bad numbers, right? They're probably gonna be like, and then right? It's gonna be something like we come up, wick up, break the highs. If we close here, boom, and then we're probably gonna head down again. But yeah, let's see here. Again, guys, if you're in a position, tighten your stop loss or exit it, because we're gonna move here. 3 minutes. What time is it over there? Over here it's 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Right? It's 2 p.m. of the day. So yeah, I'm glad, you know, because when New York opens, it's like it's in the middle of the day for me, so I don't have to wake up at 6 a.m. Right? So that's a good thing about living over here. Is that when New York opens, when it's 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. In other places, here it's 2 p.m. So I can do a bunch of shit before, and then I can hop on stream and catch the New York session, right? So I have so much like time before to do stuff, right? I don't have to wake up and immediately be at the charts. So that's fine. So today I've like done everything today that I need to, and now I'm just ready to stream and ready to trade, right? That's what's so nice about living over here. Then there's a dark side, which is that it's cold as fuck, but that's another story. It's another story. But if you're a trader, it's good. you're a trader, it's good. What time is it where you guys are at? $8.28. It's not too bad. Facts, bro. You could trade London and New York if you wanted to. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. 3:28 p.m. Hey. Nice. Yeah, guys, we got news here in 1 minute. Put on your seatbelt. Or not. I don't think we're gonna move that much, but they're expecting really bad numbers. Well, let's see here. For the seconds. Alright, boys. Be ready. Put on your seatbelt, get your inhaler ready. It's about to go fast. Oh. Was that it? No way, that was it. That was it, guys. I think that was it. Sorry ass news. No bottom wick, yeah, but I'm not sure if that was it. Yeah, that was it. That was news, guys. Nice. Sick. What was that? That was a whole ass 30 pip move. Holy shit. The world is about to the world is about to break. Oh my god. And the numbers were fucking horrible. Look at the numbers. Fucking hell. Look at the numbers. Expected was 2. We got minus 14.5. The numbers were horrible. So I would expect gold to pop, but like I said, I mean it's manufacturing index, so it's not gonna be crazy news, but still, damn. I thought we would get something more than that. What the fuck? Hey guys, good news is that now we can trade. So let's see here. Yeah, now we get volume. Alright, can we flip here? No, we don't want to flip. DXY didn't even push up that much. Dude. Makes no sense. Oh my god, I just spilled water. Wait, 1 sec, guys. Sorry guys, my dumbass just spilled water. But yeah. We are moving here. All right, let's see here. Can we get something? Can we get a closure or something? Okay, damn. Ooh, 25 pips. All right. Let's see now. Can we get a closure below 38 here? If we get a closure below 38, I believe we should be good, right? Should be pretty good. I'm not sure what's happening here. I think gold is drunk or something. Did I misread the news? Oh yeah, I did. No, I didn't. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Well, this is bad for currency, so why are we moving down on gold? Yeah, guys. Cause if somebody's studying economics here, could somebody explain why the fuck we're moving down here? But yeah, either way, we're about to catch some pips. So let's see here. Can we close below 38? Let's see what the 15 wants to do. 15. We might come down and tap 34 already. So meaning that we're not gonna have any lever, like we're not gonna have any space to go down anymore, right? But yeah, guys, holy shit. All right, we got a wick down. That's perfect. We got range down. Let's see here. 9 minutes. We got a closure. No bottom wick on the 5. All right, guys. I might actually, if we come up here and if we come up to 37, I might take a sell here. If we come up to 37, I might take a sell. All right, guys. Ooh, we did. Okay, that was just too quick. How many pips is that? Because I do want it to fill the imbalance here. But again, no bottom wick on the 5. So, wait, let's see here. Yeah, we have no bottom wick on the 5. So, we have to be careful here. And where did the 5 close? Alright, we did not tap 37, guys. That was close. Close sell. Close sell. Almost got a sell, but we did not tap 37. So we stayed up. But yeah, guys, we tapped 34 now. Well, I gotta be ready on the channel. I just saw something on the fucking Discord. That's insane. That's crazy. This is crazy. Hey, yo, I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. My bad, let me focus here. Alright. Let me see here. Looks like we're about to get a closure on the 15 here. Which seems to be good. If we get a closure here, can we get a top wick? Can we get a top wick and then take sells to eventually flip, right? So that's what I want to see on the 15 here. Let's see, let's move this here because we did. Yeah, that's pretty good right here. All right, can we see closure here? All right, boys. Let's wait here. 2033.872. Can we close below it? On the 15, 6 minutes here. 6 minutes. How many pips was this? This was 50 pips. Volume mic low. It's very noisy here. My bad, bro. I have it on full volume, so I don't know if I maybe have to talk closer to it, but yeah, I have full volume on my mic. But yeah. Alright, boys. Can we get a closure here? Let's see. Five minutes here. Damn, we filled the whole range down, guys. We filled the whole range. Good thing is, though, that we cleared this range now, right? Because like I said earlier this morning, I told you guys that I did not want to like get into positions in this range because it's very choppy. Good thing now is that we cleared the range, right? So now we have clean ranges. So yeah, can we get a closure below here? Would be perfect. Would be perfect here. Thing is, though, I would not be surprised if. Yeah, guys, this is tough here because we already filled the range, right? So we don't have a lot of room. Because okay, if we close, let's say if we close below here, we could say okay, close below here, we do have range to fill down, right? But now we fill the whole range, so we don't have any room left, right? So we either have to wait for close below 2029, or we have to wait for structure. Like we have to wait for us to probably come up, create some structure, and then break below again, right? We have to wait for a top wick or something. But yeah, we did hit this. We did hit this support right here. Since we hit the support, it's very hard to anticipate sells, right? Because this could be a pullback. You hit support, and now you could just pull back. But yeah, let's see if we can break it. All right. Again, guys, don't get FOMO here. Don't get FOMO. I know it looks juicy. I know we got a big move, but don't get FOMO, right? We'll eventually catch something. Just don't get FOMO here. I'm plus 120 pips. Hey, good job, man. Well done. Let's see here. 120 pips. You must have entered here. Did you have a buy sell stop or something? Guessing you had a sell stop. Alright here guys, let's see. Can we get a closure below here? Ooh, no bottom wick. We do want to leave a bottom wick first. My friend removed sell stop at 2038 just 10 seconds before drawdown. Now we regret. Hey man. Maybe it could have went the other way. Who knows? Maybe it could have taken his sell stop and then stopped him out. So yeah. Don't regret it, man. Just look for the next move and keep going. There's no point in regretting shit in the market, right? Because it could have gone against you as well. So whenever you think that you caught something, just think, okay, what could have went against me? So it's not important that I won. It's important that I followed my plan, right? If there's a steeper liquidity gap and come back to range, would you look for a quick buys to make a top wick? Most likely, yeah. Most likely, yeah. If we close respecting here, let's see how does we want to close. Okay, we closed below range. Can we get a top wick here? Because I do want to see a top wick, right? Because I do want to see the imbalance gets filled, right? Come on, guys. Can we come up a little more here? A little more here. There we go. Alright guys, if we can tap around these areas again, I'm taking sells here, so be ready. If we do not, there's the bottom wick. Yeah, there's the bottom wick. Yeah, I was waiting for us to make a steeper top wick again, right? Could have entered there. Again, that was a good trade. If anybody entered there on the top wick, I don't blame you guys. But again, since we have this huge imbalance here, I do want to see us come up and at least fill the imbalance a little bit, right? I want to see us come up and at least fill the imbalance like at least 30 pips or something like that, right? I do want to see that. Because we do have such a huge candle here that we're bound to pull back sometime. So that's why I didn't take these. But if you guys took these, definitely good sells, right? Definitely good sells. Definitely good sells. Like closed below range, left the bottom wick, came up, had no bottom wick. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Hope you understand that we have to somehow grab some more liquidity to the upside right now, because right now we have a lot of orders sitting around these levels, right? So yeah. And plus, we're not really driving here, right? We filled the wick, tapped into around this zone, right? Which is a consolidation zone. So let's see what we can do here. But yeah, it looks like we're having a lot of downwards pressure. Are we flipping back? All right, interesting, very interesting. We are flipping back here. Let's see, can we close back into range? We got a 30 closure here in 10 minutes. That's going to be very interesting. It's gonna be very interesting to see if we close below, because if we close below we have clean range down, right? But yeah, it's gonna be very interesting to see, because we did break the lows, right? If you guys see here, we did break the lows, right? Broke the lows. So if we come up and close above range again, quick buys up would not be too bad, right? Quick buys up to around these areas would not be too bad, right? And then we close full here, and then we anticipate sells once we come down again, right? So would not be too bad here. So let's see for the 30-minute closure. If we can close respecting on 30, we'd be pretty good here. All right, pulling back here. This is why I said, right? This is why I said this play. This is why I didn't want to take this play right here when we came up and had no BardFx, right? Because you could have closed 20 pips, right? But you probably would have gotten break even here because you did not come high steep enough. So you had no BardFx here, and it was a perfect no BardFx play, but you did not come up high enough, right? You only came up around 10 pips, which I believe is not enough of a imbalance fill, right? Because you want to fill this huge imbalance now, and you'll come up and grab some orders around these areas. That's the reason. So let's see now if we can close. If we can close back inside, would have been too shabby here, right? If we can close back inside, would have been too bad to grab buys up to 2033.8. But again, I'm still very confused to why we got such a downwards push on gold. Still very confused to why we got such a, because news turned out really bad for the dollar, right? So logically you would have to get a push up from gold, but we didn't. So maybe I don't know why, but because look at the dollar. It's, yeah, something's going on here. Something shady is going on here. So I can smell some manipulating, some price manipulating. Okay, we pulled all the way up. Right, guys? So we pulled all the way up here. That's why I said I wanted to see a imbalance fill first. Wait. All right. So we respected the range. Yes, we did. We respected right here. Seems like the 30 is about to close respecting, right? Because now, here's the thing. Here's the thing, though. Now, if the 30 closes here, right? We broke the lows, right? So if the 30 closes respecting here, and we get some sort of bottom wick, I'm gonna take buys immediately, right? So if the 30 closes around these areas, right, and we get a bottom wick, I'll be looking for buys up, right? Because now we close respecting. We still have a bunch of imbalances. We still have a big imbalance to fill. So yeah. Wouldn't be too bad, guys. Wouldn't be too bad. Although I would like to see a closure above here, right? Not here. Just so you guys don't get confused, right? Because like I always say, if you want to take a closure back into range, we have to come up down a little further. If you want to take a closure above the range, this is enough of a grab. So yeah, let's see now if we can close above 33 and get a bottom wick. That would have been I would be good for buys there. All right, we're coming up here, guys. Coming up and closing, respecting here, guys. Very interesting, very interesting. Let's see on the 5. Should be pretty good here. So the next 5 comes up, closes above 2034.3. If we do that and we get a bottom wick after, we could look for buys and catch the flip up around 2038. And when we catch the flips up until 2038, that means that we have filled the whole imbalance. Then after that, we might drive down again, but that means that we have filled the imbalance, right? And like I said, guys, why are we so bearish on gold, you might ask? Why am I so bearish on gold? Well, like I said yesterday's stream, we are coming up here on the dollar, right? And the dollar does have a gap. And we know that gaps eventually always gets filled. Like gaps eventually always get filled, right? So since gaps always get filled, we know that if we start coming up to around 102.7 areas, we know that it's going to make this last push to fill the gap. And that's gold going down, right? So that's why I'm so bearish on gold. Right now, at least. So yeah, let's wait and see here. All right. Hey, tell me if you guys can hear me well, right? Because somebody said you can't hear me well, so just tell me. Hey guys, we're 19 people here, but only 8 likes. What is this? That means that half of y'all hasn't even liked the video. Come on, boys. I heard that Jerome said if we like the video, we might catch a trade. Jerome called me earlier. He was like, "Yo, bro, if they like the video, I'm gonna give you something." I was like, "Damn, okay." All right, great. I hear you well. Nice. This is good. So now if we close below 2029, I'm good for sells, right? Because now we have formed structure, right, guys? We have at least come up, filled imbalance a little bit, like I wanted to. So at least 30 pips, right? Filling the imbalance by 30 pips. Now if we break below here and close below, could be looking good here. Show your terminal, homie. No, sir. That's not what we do over here. Here we only focus on skill and nothing else. Right? Let's see here. Two minutes. Clean traffic looking juicy. Are you gonna leave runners? Yeah, most likely. Most likely gonna leave runners. Most likely we'll leave runners here. Problem is though, the stops are gonna be 50 pips, guys. I'm sorry, but that's the only way here. So trade carefully, or don't over leverage, right? Because stops are gonna have to be at least 40, 50 pips, right? So yeah, just so you guys are ready. Yeah, might leave some runners. Might just close half and leave runners if we get something. What are we doing here? We're coming up to around these areas, right? I mean, there. You want to do it here, guys? I'm gonna put this down here, and I'm gonna, cause this range, like, it's like very weird range here, guys. Very weird range here, cause you know, I mean, we're not in a weird range, but we have some gaps in the range, right? So we have some gaps in the range, which we don't like. But luckily, we're about to break into a new range here, above 34 probably. So I'll leave it there for now. But if we don't break above 34, I'm gonna move this, right? Because I don't like to have any gaps in my ranges. So I'm gonna have to move this if we don't close above or below here. But let's see. We did get a closure. All right, got a top wick. Let's see here. What does this look on 30? This look 30. We closed respecting, right? 30 closed respecting here, guys. Yeah, I mean, wouldn't be, we're eventually gonna get a bottom wick here, probably, right? Reason I'm not entering here on a sell is because the bottom wick is gonna be big. Like, I don't believe the bottom wick is gonna be that big, but let's see here. If we come up like to here without a bottom wick, then I'm taking sells. But right now I'm not taking sells because I want the bottom wick to be bigger so we can catch more pips. But let's see here. Stay ready. Is that 30 no bottom wick as well? Yeah, that's 30 no bottom wick. Can we come up a bit more? I want to see it come up a bit more. That's good. All right, so alright guys, so I'm gonna probably grab some sells here, guys. I'm grabbing sells here, guys. I'm grabbing sells, expecting the flip and nothing more. Stop loss is gonna be above these highs right here. Take profit is probably gonna be, I just want to see a small bottom wick. But yeah, that's the trade, guys. Taking sells here. Yeah, guys, that's the trade. Once we tap 10 pips, I'm gonna move stops to break even. So stops to break even around these areas. But yeah, we should be able to get a bottom wick before driving up, right? Because I don't want to see this driving up just straight, right? Because there's no news, nothing. And news is in 40 minutes, and I don't believe this is a 40-minute trade. So I would like to see a bottom wick before we drive up, so that's what I'm playing for. But let's see here. Might potentially move my stop to the break of the highs here, because yeah, that's the break of the highs, right? Alright guys, pushing down here. Will the winning streak continue, or will the winning streak break? Let's see here. Don't worry if you guys hear my MetaTrader, just ignore the sounds. I just have a couple accounts that I need to trade trades on, so that's why. That's why you guys hear a bunch of fucking noises. See you guys. Shouldn't be a problem here. I mean, there guys, we have 2 consecutive no bottom wick 5s here, so Is this gonna be the win streak break? Seven 37. Alright guys, so we are tapping into this resistance, right? So we could possibly see a wick up until these areas, and then we could see it start driving down. But wouldn't be surprised if we come and wick up to TP to stop loss as well. So be ready here, guys. Alright, 5 closed, pushing up here. The 15, still no bottom wick. The 30, still no bottom wick, right? So maybe on your luck can catch on use. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see here. But if it's my stop loss, it is my stop loss. I mean, nothing more we can do. Let's just focus on the new trade. But yeah, we never know, right? But yeah, I'm still expecting the 15 and the 30 to make a bottom wick here. So yeah. Yeah, guys, be patient here. If you guys feel uncomfortable with this trade, you can get out at break even now, right? If you feel uncomfortable with this trade, you feel like it's not a good trade, get out at break even now. I'm holding because I still believe we're gonna make a bottom wick. But if you feel uncomfortable, you feel like this is not a good trade for me, get out here, right? You're at break even. But I'm holding, just so you guys know. Alright, so the 15 bottle close here. 15 bottle close respecting 2034, meaning that we still have sentiment to go down, right? Might see a top wick again, right? So be prepared for more drawdown. Because we might see on the new 15 that opens up now, we might see a top wick and then we might see a pullback down, right? So be prepared here, guys. Why is the stop loss so random? The stop loss is above my next range, or my next resistance, which is here. That's where the stop loss is. Right? So that's why the stop loss is there. It's not random, it's above my next area of resistance, right? So I believe if we break here, I believe we can probably most likely come up, right? That's why stop loss is there. Right, could have put the stop loss over here, but no, this is good for now, right? Alright guys, almost break even point here. Almost stops to break even here, guys. Up, up, up. Alright guys, that stops to break even. Risk-free trade. Alright guys. Alright guys, that's... Is it gonna hit... Ooh. Will it hit stops? Yeah, that stops to break even here, guys. Alright. That was trade, guys. Came up, came down, hit our stops to break even point, move stops to break even, and then hit our break even, right? So break even trade. $30 still hasn't flipped. I'm still holding. You holding still? Yeah, man. I mean, if you feel like you want to hold, you could hold it. I mean, you're probably getting profits very soon, right? Because this was just a necessary top wick, right? For the 30 to eventually flip. But I wish you all the luck. But I'm out at break even here. Sell or buy, just join. You're a little late, man. But yeah, we took a sell around here, and we came down to break even point, and then I got out of break even, right? Put myself to break even, so this was a break even trade. Yes, I entered the sell earlier at 2033.239. I entered the sell, but we came down and I put my stops to break even, then we hit break even. So it was a break even trade. So now let's see for the next opportunity here. Not bad, brother. Yeah, I mean, break even is not bad or not good, right? It is what it is. At least we didn't lose, right? So the winning streak continues, but yeah. Yeah, neutral. Exactly. My friend, too much afraid. He closed at 10 pip loss, then drawdown. Yeah, guys, you can't be afraid, guys. You gotta trust your instincts. You gotta stick to the plan, right? Can't work on emotions. Can't be afraid. Yeah, don't get FOMO, guys. Don't get FOMO. Before you enter a trade, you gotta think, okay, why did I enter this trade? Why will I enter this trade? And then it's fine. And then you just follow that plan, right? You don't think, oh, Is it gonna go up? Oh, I need to close. Oh no, no, I need to secure my profits here. No, no, just let your plan work, right? Just let your plan work. But yeah, guys, it's the last 10 minutes of the 30. So if you want to flip, you should flip around very soon. You should flip very soon, guys. If you want to flip, right? I take 10 pip profit. Nice. BE hit stop loss minus 40 pips. Huh? How can your BE hit stop loss and you're minus 40 pips? That's not what break even means, bro. I'm still in. Yeah, guys. Well, you would hope. Okay. So I'm gonna. Okay. So here's the thing. The 15 did close respecting, right? And we did not come down to compensate for this bottom wick. So, meaning that if you want to come down, you have to come down within the next 9 minutes here because you want this 30 to flip. And it's losing volume here. You tapped into this area, right? You tapped into this area of resistance. Since you tapped into this area of resistance, you could possibly see a bottom wick here. But that needs to happen within the 9 minutes. But yeah, I'm still bearish, guys. So if you want my 2 cents, I'm still bearish here. I still believe we need to flip. So yeah, I still believe it. But again, guys, anything could happen. That's why I moved stops to break even once we hit 13 pips profit. Yeah, guys, coming down here. The guys that are still in, you guys should be break even very soon. The guys that are still in. So if you're still in, you should be break even very soon, right? Because right, it's the last minutes of the 30, right? It's the last 8 minutes of the 30, meaning that you could possibly come down and flip. Because if you want to flip, you need to flip now, right? You're probably not going to wait for the next 30 to flip. So you need to flip now if you want to do something, at least. But hey, guys. I closed 2036. Ah, okay. I hope I can break even. Yeah, bro, shouldn't be a problem here. Shouldn't be a problem here. It shouldn't be a problem to break even here. But let me ask you guys, because when I moved my stops to break even, I called it out on the channel. So why did you guys not do it? I'm just, is it like, am I too late? Is there a delay? Like, what's the reason for y'all not moving stops to break even when I did? Because I moved stops to break even once we hit 13 pips, right? That's when I moved my stops to break even. So yeah. But yeah, guys, very soon here you should be able to hit break even because the 30 looks like it's about to flip. 30 looks like it's about to flip. Current candle no top, current 5 no top wick. Previous very small top wick, which is positive. It was too fast. I couldn't get it. Damn. Yeah, I'm doing my best here. Like, I don't know if you guys. I'm not disciplined in break even. Hey man, you gotta work on that. You gotta work on that. Gotta work on discipline. But yeah, guys, you should be break even now. I mean, yeah, break even, guys. So we got 32 people in here, and we got 16 likes. Come on, guys. We can do better than that. That means that 50% of y'all haven't liked the video. Come on, boys. Alright, guys. You're break even now, so. Anybody that's still in the trade, if you want to get out of break even, get out of break even here. If you want to hold, hold. But you got to decide. Let's fucking go, bro. The community is growing. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. The community is actually growing, which is very nice. The community is growing. We started off with like 5 people, then 10 people, and now we're like 60 people in the Discord, which is crazy. By the way, if you're watching, you haven't joined the Discord, join the Discord, boys. I gave out the signals there. Everything's free. My education is free. Everything I do is free. Right? So yeah, guys, join the Discord if you haven't already. Trying to grow a bunch of quality traders. All right. If the 30 is gonna flip, it's gonna flip within the next 5 minutes, guys. So, yeah. All right. I'm gonna wait till live 29, like 23. Not bad. Yeah, not bad. Most of y'all like the video. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. "20 minutes news." Yeah, we got news in 20 minutes here, guys. So be very, very cautious here. 20-minute news. I would say for anybody that's still in a position, I would say get out of break even when you can, right? So get out of break even very soon, because you don't want to hold this position when news comes out, right? Because you don't know what news wants to do. So I would say everybody that's still in the position, get out. But yeah. Damn, people are still in the position. Hey, you guys got balls. You guys really want this, huh? You guys really want the flip. You guys really want the flip. Yeah, if you want the flip, you need to have it within the next 2 minutes. I'm waiting to catch a quick 20 pip on long. Otherwise, I'm going to close the loss and wait for the news to recover. Damn, bro, you still in loss? You had like 10 times. You had like 10 times to close break even, bro. Official blown account day, lol. Yeah. My man, is this your regular stream time? Yes, my regular stream time is between, what is it? It's 8 p.m. Eastern to around, no, 8 a.m. Eastern to around 12 a.m. Eastern. Right? So that's 8 a.m. Eastern to around 11 a.m. Eastern. p.m. Eastern. Sorry guys, I'm not used to these times. I'm in Sweden. We have different type of time. We have 24-hour clock, you know. But yeah. Yeah. Is it fair enough that my broker takes $0.4 commission for 0.01 lot and no swaps? Yeah, I would say that. Yeah, it's not too bad. 40 cents. But 0.01 lot though. Which broker do you use? I have a stop loss 2039. I'm waiting to flip. Lot size is 0.1, so not a big deal, but I hope it will go down. Yeah, bro. I hope so too, for your sake. But hope only gets you so far, right? But let's see. You have stop loss at 39. Yeah, I mean, the 30 is about to close here, and it's about to close above 34. So, yeah, boys. But it still doesn't have a bottom wick, right? So, at least you have some positivity, right? But yeah, I wouldn't be too. Yeah, yeah. But let's see here. Can we close respecting? That would have been. What is the 5 doing? I mean, guys, it's not looking too bad, guys. It's not looking too bad. I swear to God, it's not looking too bad for you guys that are still in the position. Because the 5 has no bottom wick, right? Or it's had a very small bottom wick. And it made a huge top wick, rejected off of this, came back down. So now if it wants to flip, it will flip, right? But yeah, it's not, the position isn't looking bad. The position isn't invalid, right? The position isn't invalid, guys. So yeah. Okay. Close respecting, no bottom wick. Yeah, guys, you should get a bottom wick here to break even at least. Okay, there's the bottom wick. Can you see a push here to break even? I like that I'm not even in trade. I'm just I'm just speaking for you guys that are in the trade. All right, there's the push. All right. I mean, now it's in your hands. You're break even here. Again, for the 50th time you're break even. So it's in your hands now, but yeah. Close respecting. So could drive down here, right? Could drive down. I say you break even too. It's too risky. Yeah, bro. It's 15 minutes till news. Mighty, you're in profit now. At least move stops to break even now, right? But yeah, 15 minutes till news, so wouldn't really want to hold during news. Let me just update the recent trades here. Can't be doing no false marketing. Alright guys, hopefully most of y'all are probably not in the trade still. Advise me funded account, please. Advice for funded account: trade the same way you trade with your normal account. Just don't risk too much. That's all. Don't over leverage. That's all. Otherwise, trading funded and trading your personal, it's the same. It's the same thing. The only difference is you can't leverage too much, because on your personal you can risk more than 5%, right? But you can't risk more than 5% on your funded. So that's all. Like don't over leverage. That's all. That's pretty much it. Otherwise, it's the same thing as trading your normal account. So whatever you want to do, like if you want to have your stop loss up here, you have to decide your lot size, right? But yeah, that's about it. Hey man, we're growing. Holy shit, we got like 23 viewers here. 24 likes. Damn guys, you outdid yourself. You guys outdid yourself today. Still bullish on gold, right? I'm bullish on gold. What did I say earlier? I said no. I really like right now. I'm nothing. I'm not bullish or bearish, right? I have to wait for news because I don't know what the news are gonna come out like. But yeah. But yeah, I'm not bullish or bearish right now. I'm just waiting for my position either up or down. I'm not really having a bias, right? But yeah. Remember, guys, our list still no bottom wick either. Still no bottom wick either on the hourly. We didn't break structure on the 4 hour though to the downside. 4 hour no bottom wick either. Guys, if there was a news here, oh my god, guys. If there was a news here, guys, 4 hour play. The 4 hour broke below range, closed below range, left the bottom wick after breaking the highs, has no bottom wick on the current. Dude, if there was a news here, oh my god, I would be in here. I would be in here again. But yeah, I had to close the BE because, dude, whatever news does, I don't want to be a part of it. I hate trading gold. I love trading gold. I love trading gold. Trade was BE but peaked on everything, so today was SU. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As long as you followed your plan and you stayed disciplined and you didn't impulse enter, or you didn't cave to your emotions, then it's a W. Then it's a SU day. Just joined the stream. Did you take short? I took a short. I took a short right around here. Right? And then I closed and I moved stops to break even, and then we hit break even. But yeah, I took a short around these areas because this has no bottom wick. And the 4 hour has no bottom wick. And the hour has no bottom wick. So yeah. So it looks like we're about to flip here. Flip is coming. Only reason I didn't hold and I moved stops to break even so early is because there was news. And I did not want to hold the trade during news in case news pushes it up and we get stopped out at and we hit our stop loss, right? So that's the only reason I moved stops to break even so early, right? Because I wanted to make sure that we didn't get wrecked during news. So just taking precautions, you know. We didn't break structure on the 4 hours to the downsides though, so yeah. I mean, bro, the thing is, you didn't break structure to on the 4 hour to the downside, but the 4 hour did close below range, and you don't have a bottom wick on the 4 hour, so you could possibly see a push down to at least 2030, 2029 areas, right? So you could see a push down to 2029 areas. So short term bearish, long term not sure. We have to see what news says. But yeah, looks like we're bullish still, right? Because of the Fed meeting and the fact that they're not gonna hike rates anymore and stuff. So yeah, like long term pretty bullish still. But here's the flip, guys. Ooh, no, we don't want to flip. I just joined the stream. Did you take a short long? Okay, answered that. What does the bottom wick on the hourly tell us? The no bottom wick on the hourly tells us that, I mean, I've said this hundreds of times, 85 to 95% of candles have bottom and top wicks, right? So we know that if a candle closes below range and has no bottom wick, eventually we'll have to make the bottom wick. Either way we want to drive. If we want to drive up all the way, we have to make a bottom wick. If we want to drive down, obviously we're going to make a bottom wick, right? So that's what it tells us. That's just probabilities. Like that's why I have so many no bottom wick, no top wick plays, because it's probabilities, right? 90% of candles have bottom and top wicks. So this is most likely going to flip here. And that's what we anticipated, right? But we have news here in 7 minutes, right? So that's why we closed, or we went break even so early. No problem, bro. Got you. Do you take DXY in mind? Yes, of course. I have it right here. So I just flip, right? I just flip between them and see what's going on. So yeah. Let's see here. Dude, if I swear, if somebody's still in the trade, is somebody in chat still in the trade? If some motherfucker in the trade still? Is some motherfucker in the trade still? Haha, yes. Alright, bro. This guy is still, Rudy is still in the trade, guys. And Rudy is about to be in profits here. Or he is in profits. Funny Binges is still in trades. Hey guys. Congrats. Are you stops to break even at least? Did you put stops to break even? I think I will take long and benefit news. Hey man, whatever floats your boat. If you feel like news is gonna go long, take long. If you feel like news is gonna go short, take short. But yeah, I'm closing right when it flips. Good idea. Good idea, because you don't know how far the bottom wick is gonna go. But yeah, 6 minutes here, guys. So wrap it up. Start wrapping it up. Let's see here. Five minutes, boys. What do you think PMI news? I have no idea. No idea. I don't try to predict the news, so I have no idea. But yeah, guys, all I'm saying is, I'm saying one thing here. And the one thing I'm saying is, if we don't flip before news, if we don't flip within the next 3 minutes, I'm going to have a buy stop right here. Or sell stop. My bad, sell stop. I'm going to have a sell stop right at the flip if we don't flip before news. Just so you guys know. So if we don't flip here in 5 minutes, I'm going to have a sell stop on the flip. So if we flip and start driving down, I can catch that, right? $2,031.42. All right. Stop loss probably going to be, I mean, I have to have a high stop loss, guys. I'm sorry if I'm going to enter here. I have to have the break of the highs, guys. 7. This piece should be around 2027. All right. Let's see here, boys. Don't be emotionally greedy. Think twice, bro. I'm not being emotionally greedy, guys. I'm planning the trade. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to probably have a sell stop here because if we do flip, we would likely see it. Because look, it's pretty logical, right? Where are the wicks? Where are the wicks, guys? This is the only one that doesn't have a wick. Where are the wicks? Right? Meaning that if we flip here, we'd likely see a wick down, right? Before either driving up or down. So yeah, and that's why we have a sell stop. So we're not taking sells, right? So we have a sell stop. So once we tap here, we're gonna sell and come down. Just so you guys know, that's what I'm thinking. Alright guys, so very soon we get a sell stop here. If I get slipped, I get slipped, but Alright guys, I have a sell stop right here at the flip of this candle. Possibly come down for news. I'm gonna tell you real time what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna close very quick, so be ready guys. Probably gonna close very quickly. News came out. Alright, news came out mixed. Let's see here. Alright, we do not want to flip, looks like. By the way, I'm not in a trade, guys, just so you guys know. I have buy stops or sell stops. Just so you guys don't get confused here and enter a trade. I got sell stops here, guys. But yeah, alright. News came out mixed. So let's see, we have a, what do we have? 1 hour closure, right? Yeah. Let's see. Let's see, guys. We might most likely we'll see a push down if we get a flip. Most likely. So be ready. Be on your toes. What are we even doing right now? What do you mean, price, or what am I doing? I have a sell stop right here. Alright guys, depending on how this, bro, gold is teasing. I swear, bro. Look how close we came to flip, right? So just know, guys, we came this close to flipping. Just know if we flip, we're about to see a push, right? Because then that's the break of the lows. You might see a push. Just be ready here. So yeah, just be ready here. I swear to God, if one of y'all is still in the trade, I'm gonna be like, what the fuck are y'all doing? The trade, like the trade I took earlier. If one of y'all is still in the trade I took earlier, hey, God bless you. Remember, guys, it's 4 hour close below has no bottom wick, guys. So the 4 hour, like mainly we're looking at the 4 hour, and the 4 hour does not look like the 4 hour looks juicy, right? But again, we do have 3 hours, right? So we might see us stay here for 3 hours, and then the last hour we might flip, or we might see us push down even further, push up even further, and then the last hourly, or the last 1.5 hour of the 4-hour candle, we flip, right? Because that's usually, the flip usually happens if we push up this much. The flip usually happens on the back end of the candle, right? So it usually happens the last 15 minutes or the last 30 minutes of that candle. But yeah, let's see here. By the way, for any of y'all wondering, I am not in position. Wait, let me just, because the new people here might think I'm in a position. If I had a better entry, I would got out, but I took a sell at 2031. But I hope it will go down. Just chilling. Damn, you still in the trade, bro? Yeah, guys, have you realized one thing? We've been in this. Oops. We've been in this range for like we have been going around this range for like the last hour, right? As soon as we entered the position we did earlier, we've just been around, like, just came down here, almost tapped this twice, and then came up, then came down, then came up, then came down for like an hour now. Gold is acting shady. Like, gold is trying to hide something from us. Gold is acting very shady right now. But yeah, since the 4-hour does not have a bottom wick, we close below range. Since the hourly does not have a bottom wick, and we know that usually we wick down to around these areas, right? Here we didn't. Reason being, the previous had not a far bottom wick, not a steep enough bottom wick, and we didn't close below, right? But now we did close below, so this is based on the 4-hour mostly, right? So we see that we usually wick down to these areas on the 4, plus on the 15. If we look, we came down twice to these areas, right? So we have 2 wicks here, meaning that if we break the lows again, like make the low, if we break the lows again, we might likely see a push down, right? So yeah, that's the idea, boys. But yeah, let's see here. Let me just remove this real quick. I'm gonna put this when we're in a trade, because I don't want people to get confused, right? Big. We got 34 people in here. Crazy. We're growing very fast. 30 people. Hey guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Subscribe, like the video. Let's see if we can get something here. Oh, my bad. Sorry, you have to hear that, guys. I'm just switching between accounts. That's why. That's why you guys hear that. I need to fix that, though. Gold is teasing us here, huh? Gold really wants to tease us here, huh? Right here. Alright. Should be pretty good here. Where's the 15 doing? Very wiki here. Very wiki. Hey guys, remember last stream when we were like, can we please break the record of 15 likes? Please break the record of 15 likes. Today we got 29 likes, boys, which is like double. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. That's fucking great. Yes. Is this the flip? We likely want to see, we don't want to see the flip like in 4 minutes, right? We likely want to see this 5 first, close below here. Want to see the 5 close below here, and then the next 5 we want to see come down, right? Because that means that we close below on the 5, right? We don't want to see this 5 just come down and flip the whole thing, because if this 5 flips the whole shit, that means that we don't know if this 5 is going to come up and close respecting. But if this 5 closes below here, and then the next 5 comes down, and then we flip on the 4 and the 1, that's a perfect confirmation. Hey, you guys are very quiet, huh? Very quiet, just waiting. Relax. We're not in a trade yet. Hey Bard, new subscriber here. Do you do live every day at New York session? Yes, sir. Every day at New York session I go live. Right before New York session. So from 8 a.m. to around 11 p.m. 10 to 11 p.m. Those are my streaming hours. All right. If this hourly closes like this, I'm deleting the sell subs, right? Because then they're not valid. Because I want to see this. I wanted to see the hourly flip, right? Because then there's no hourly flip anymore. So that's why I do want to see this hourly close. I want to see this hourly flip, right? But we have 2 minutes here and 40 seconds. So it's going to be hard. How long have you been trading? New from sub from Dominican Republic. Hey, shout out Dominican Republic. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 4 years, back and forth, and then the last 2 years I've been trading rigorously. So the last 2 years I've been trading seriously and focusing, right? And been profitable for the last 1.5 to 2 years. I've been profitable, but yeah. Before that, I lost a ton of money. So 4 years, the first 2 years I just lost money. And I just, you know, played around like you usually do. Just, oh, I think it's going to go down. I think it's going to go up. And then the last 2 years, I've been like, okay, focused on my strategy, developed a game plan, worked on my psychology, etc. So yeah, 2 years seriously, 4 years in total. All right, guys. Do we want to flip here? Very weird price action, guys. See, we closed Doji here, and now we're about to close Doji again. Same. Nice, Rudy. You mean same, you're from the Dominican Republic, or you mean same, you also started trading 4 years ago? Gold, 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 gold. What are you doing, gold? Haha, also started trading at starting 4. Okay, nice. 4 years ago. Nice, bro. I'm guessing you also lost a ton of money in the beginning. Because that's what I did. I think I blew 3 accounts my 1st and 2nd year. 3 accounts. 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 3 But I wasn't even close serious like this. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Now I was like, after I blew my third account, I was like, okay, Bard, if you want to do this shit, you have to go all in. There's no playing around. Okay, if you want to do this shit, you have to go all in. And then I went all in, right? So yeah. But okay, guys. So looks like we are about to close respecting. Closing respecting this area right here. Very interesting here. 4 hour still hasn't flipped. To be honest. Whoa. It came up immediately. I started 1 to 10, 1 to 20 leverage, and now I'm using 1 to 500. Yeah, I started 1 to 500. Imagine, I started 1 to 500 leverage. So yeah. Yeah, boys. Never mind. I was gonna say, if we didn't flip here and we came up around these areas, I would take a sell immediately off the rip, right? Because we closed respecting, made a top wick, no bottom wick, and plus no bottom wick on the 4, so we have a lot of downward pressure. So I was very close to taking sell there. But yeah, it goes very quick, guys. It goes very quick. Because this just immediately shot up. I had no idea it was gonna do this. This immediately shot up. So if this tapped around these areas without making a bottom wick, I would be in there immediately, right? And I wouldn't have time to type it in Discord, unfortunately, but you guys on the stream would have known. But yeah, the price moves fast, especially after the closure. Have you always realized after the closure, price always like pew, 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 always after the closure? But this is good. This is good. This is good. We made a top wick. This looks like a barcode. What is this? Price action, bro. But yeah, looks good here. We made a top wick. Can we come down now? How did you handle your psychology when taking loss blowing your account in the beginning? I went to YouTube and I typed what to do after you're blowing your account, and I just watched the videos. Literally that's what I did. I swear to God, that's what I did. I went to YouTube and I watched the videos what to do after you've blown your account, and I just watched a ton of like psychology videos on it. But yeah, that's what I did. I mean, I just realized, like, I just had to zoom out, and I had to realize that the only way I take a loss in this scenario is if I stop, right? So the only way that you go full margin. Bro, I swear, y'all are funny. Y'all are funny. Yeah, I blew my account. I was like, okay, the next account we'll go full margin. No, but yeah, I just zoomed out and I was like, okay, so if my trajectory looks like this is my trajectory in life. So the overall trajectory is upwards, right? Hold on 1 second here. Damn, I didn't record the stream. Fuck, I didn't record the stream. Damn it. Sell stop still valid? Yes. Yes, my sell stops are still valid. Because we closed respecting, right? We closed respecting on the hourly and the 15, and the 4 hour still has no bottom wick, and we also made a top wick on the 15, right? So the sell stops are still valid. But yeah, about the psychology, I just zoomed out and I realized that if my life trajectory is like this is my life trajectory, in the beginning I have to count in the troughs, right? So if this is the trajectory, I have to count in these, right? So we go like this, and on these moments it looks like, oh, I'm losing, I blew my account, fuck, everything is going so bad. But if you just zoom out and you think, okay, this is just a small pit stop in my way to success. So that's just every time I lost or I did anything that was heartbreaking or anything that was really hard on my psychology, I always thought, okay, this is where most people fail, and this is where most people stop, and that's why they don't make it, right? So just think that this is where most people stop, and that's why they don't make it. Anytime you're in a hard place in your life, just think that this is where most people stop, and that's why I won't stop. That's why I will become greater than the people that stop, right? Because that's your competition, right? Your competition is, on these levels, your competition is stopping. So if you stop, you're as bad as them. You're in the losers bracket. But if you never stop, you're never going to be in the losers bracket, right? The only time you're in the losers bracket is if you stop. So that's what I thought. I was like, okay, I can lose all my money. I will never stop, because stopping is the only thing that will determine if I'm a loser or not. Right? But yeah, that's just what I thought. I was like, okay, just life is so much longer than these few days that I lost my account. Life is so much longer. I have so much more time to make that money back, to focus, etc. So yeah, just have to zoom out. That's all. Just have to zoom out. You can only lose if you quit. Exactly. If you never quit, you can never lose. I've never heard of somebody that's just never quit and never won, right? Everybody that's never quit, they always win in the end. Always. Have you passed your demo phase? Yes, I have passed my demo phase. I passed my demo phase like 6 months ago. It's not easy. You feel like shit, but it is part of the game, and it's for the better to start losing first so you can adopt. Yeah, I'm so happy I blew my account in the beginning of my trading career. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful, because if I didn't blow my accounts, if I didn't burn my fingers, I would have never took control over myself. I would have never thought, okay, respect. I like that analogy and thinking. Yeah, bro, that's just, you gotta understand that's a part of the game, and you gotta just zoom out. That's all you gotta do. Just zoom out. Understand that this is just a small pit stop in your journey to success. That's true. You learn a lot from it. Yeah, yeah. Losing is a part. If somebody that's never lost is somebody that's never tried, right? If you try and if you work hard, you will lose. But you're only a loser if you stop. If you never stop, you're never gonna be a loser. That's the only thing that that's the only thing that separates the losers from the winners, is the losers stopped. The losers were like, fuck this, I can't do this anymore. The winners were like, fuck this, I'm gonna keep going. That's the only difference. Losing is the only way to learn. Yes, sir. Yes, it is. And if you ask any trader that's made it, if you ask Raja Banks or Domvo or any of the traders you guys look up to, if you ask any of them, they all will say the same thing. I lost so much in the beginning, but I never stopped. Right? Yeah, boys. Looks like we lost some volume here. Sell stops are still active, by the way, because if we break these lows, I still want to see a bottom wick. Probably going to close the trade pretty prematurely. I'm not going to let the trade run that much, right? But because it's late and I have to eat something. So I'm trying to end the stream within the next 30 minutes. So if we don't get anything within the next 30 minutes, I might delete the sell stops. And if we get in, I'm just going to close at around 15 pips or something like that. Just so you guys know. Yeah, boys, 32 likes, 35 viewers. Hey, man, I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Growing very fast. The community is growing very fast. And it's very exciting. Again, guys, if any of y'all that's watching right now hasn't joined the Discord, please do. That's where I post all of my things. That's where everything happens. That's the heart of the community. The heart of the community is the Discord channel, right? That's where everybody communicates, that's where the signals are, everything. So yeah, boys, join the Discord channel. Do you use funded account, and if so, which one do you use? I use both. So I use funded and I use my personal account, right? But funded, I use FTMO. I use FTMO. Alright, great. So the 5 closed below, right? 5 closed below. Let's see if we can fill the range down. Looks very good here, guys. Looks very good. Dude, look at these candles, bro. We have almost 3 doji candles in a row. What separates FTMO from others? I just think that FTMO is the most, it's the most famous one, right? That's the only reason I chose it. Because like the most famous one is probably the most secure one. I didn't want to take any like, you know, small prop firm that nobody's ever heard of. So I was like, okay, which is the biggest and most secure one? And that was FTMO. That's the reason I chose FTMO. Like, because all of them are practically the same. Like, you know, so yeah. It was just simplicity reasons. But yeah, guys, I'm kind of pissed right now because I forgot to record the stream. Because I always record the stream so I can edit the videos later. I forgot to record this whole stream. But yeah, boys, I hope you guys got value from it, at least. That's what's important. Alright, this candle is about to close Doji 2, and we have 3 Doji candles in a row. We have a barcode, so if any of y'all wants to scan this, guys, just pull up your phone, scan this, and let's see what you get. You know? Just take this shit to the register and scan it. If you want to buy some gold. In your opinion, what's the most suitable funded capital for beginners? 10k. The most suitable and the first is 10k. So yeah, I think that's the lowest as well. You can do an FTMO. I think it's 10k account, which costs like like $100 or something. So it's not, you know, it's not a lot of money. But yeah, guys, looks like we lost volume here, so I'm gonna delete the sell stops. Because we did lose volume and nothing's really happening. So I believe even if we now break the lows, we're most likely not going to see the push I want to, because there's no volume, right? So even if we break the lows, we might like break them, flip back, break them, flip back, and then like slowly. So yeah, I'm deleting the sell stops here, guys, just so you guys know. Let me just call it out in the Discord. All right. Deleting the sell stops here, guys, just so you guys know. Broker recommendations. I used Blueberry Markets. Blueberry Markets. I've used Vantage and Blueberry Markets, and they're both really good. But yeah, Blueberry Markets is the one I use right now. Blueberry Markets is I've had a good experience with them overall. They've just been very good to me. They're like, dude, I swear they're like side chicks. Blueberry Markets are like side chicks, dude. They text me like, I swear they text me every weekend. They're like, oh, how is it going? Just making sure the trading is going all right. Just making sure you're fine. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. It's so funny. Yeah, like they text me like, oh, I hope everything is good with you. I just want to ensure that our goal is to ensure that everything is taken care for you, etc., etc. So yeah, they're very nice. I like them. I like the people running the company. I like the people. I like the customer support. Everything about them. Lol, and their calls. Yeah, I swear. I swear. I swear to God, dude, I'll be ghosting them. I ain't gonna lie, I'll be ghosting them. So if they close down if I wake up and my account doesn't work anymore, I know why. But I'll be ghosting their ass, because I'm like, oh, what? It's, you called me yesterday. What's up? Oh, I just want to make sure that your account, blah blah blah. Yes, I'm fine. I know I blew my account, but I'm fine. We just saw that you blew your account within 5 seconds after use. Is everything alright with you? I think sell stop is still valid. Yeah, it's most likely still valid, but there's just no volume here. There's just no volume here, and we're coming up also, so we're coming further from the sell stop, so that's why I'm just deleting it, right? Because I don't want to have any like sell stop running in the back while I'm washing dishes or something, right? Do you know Don Vo? Yeah, we've texted a little bit, but I'm not friends with him, right? But yeah, I have texted him sometimes. I was a part of his Discord and everything like that. I used to watch him a lot. But yeah, he's a nice guy. Very good trader. Very good trader. Yeah, boys. Honestly here, sell stops are still valid. So if you guys want to like be in the sell stops still, be my guest if you want to be in the sell stops. I deleted my sell stops. Reason being, I don't want to have sell stops in the back while I'm not in the looking at the charts, right? So that's the reason I deleted the sell stops. You only trade in gold. How about GJ? Dude, GJ and me are that's my arch nemesis. GJ is my enemy. That's my op. I cannot trade GJ. I don't understand the price action. It doesn't follow the same price action as gold, right? So yeah, I don't trade GJ. I'm sorry. I only focus on gold. That's all. Only focus on gold. So I'm trying to get as good as possible at analyzing gold, right? And GJ just doesn't make sense to me. So I don't trade GJ. But yeah, boys. Like I said earlier, this 4 hour is probably gonna want to flip during the last 1 to 1.5 hour of the candle, right? That's usually when the candles flip. They flip to the back, like to the back end of the time. So a 1 hour usually flips to the last 30 minutes, etc. So most likely this will flip within the next hour and a half, right? So yeah, not right now at least. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna end the stream here because I have to run some errands and also I need to eat. And yeah, it's been a good stream, boys. I'll call if I get a trade today, which I highly doubt, but I'll call it out on Discord, right? If I might reinstate the flip if I see that we're coming down the last hour. If I see that we're coming down the last hour, I might reactivate the sell stops. But I'll call everything out on Discord, so just be ready, guys. But yeah, that's it for the stream today, boys. I appreciate every single one of you. We broke the record, guys. I think we topped at like 40 viewers. 33 likes. Let's fucking go. Let me get a sue in the chat, boys. Let me get a sue in the chat. What is coming will be bearish trading. Yeah, most likely bearish. But yeah, boys, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on Monday. Same place, same time, Monday. I want to see every one of you there. See you, boys. Take care.